This is your homework helper, Mrs. Anderson. Today I will help you with Lesson 7, Problem Solving, Look for a Pattern. Please have your homework page ready and let's begin. We're going to look at the homework helper section and then we'll work on these problems together. Deirdre wants to buy new summer clothes. She needs to find the total cost in order to determine how much she can afford. The table shows the prices of some items. Based on the pattern, what is the sales tax and total cost for jeans that are $18? Round each amount to the nearest cent. All right, first we need to find out what facts we know. Well, we know the price. The prices are here in the table. We know the sales tax. That's over here in the table. We know the total cost for the t-shirt, the shorts, and the sandals. And we know the price of the jeans. But what we'll need to find out is the sales tax for the jeans and the cost of the jeans. So what we're going to do to figure it out is look for a pattern to solve the problem. So if I look here at the t-shirt and then at the sales tax, I'm going to have to figure out how they came up with the sales tax, basically. So to solve it, it says I'm going to multiply the cost of the item by 7/100 to find the sales tax, rounded to the nearest cent. Then add the sales tax to the price of the item. All right, it's basically telling us the answer here. The pattern, it looks like, okay, finding the pattern here. Sorry. It doesn't show us what the pattern is right here. So what we're going to do, we know that it's going to be 7/100. So we'll take the number $18, and we'll multiply by 7/100. Okay, because I have all these zeros, okay, that's just going to give me 2 more zeros here. Let's see. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 5 is 12. And now what I notice is I have 2 places after the decimal here and 2 places after the decimal here. 2 here, 2 here. If I add those together, that's 4. So I'm going to need 1, 2, 3, 4 places after the decimal. Well, I am doing money, so I'll put the dollar sign here. It looks like it's going to be $1.26, and these zeros won't matter. So now I need to take $18 and add $1.18 and add $1.26. So when I add these up, I get $19.26, and that's going to be the cost of the jeans. All right, let's flip it over and see what other questions we have to do some problem solving here. Harold has 4 classes each school morning. Each class is 1 hour long, and there are 10 minutes between classes. The first class starts at 8 a.m. What time does the 4th class end? It looks like, okay, I'm going to do this right here. It looks like, okay, he has 4 classes. So I'm going to put these out on the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because I don't know exactly what I'm going to need here. Each class is 1 hour long, and there's 10 minutes between classes. Okay, so the first class is going to start at 8 o'clock. And the first class is going to go until 9 o'clock. So I have 8 o'clock until 9 o'clock. And then there is plus 10 minutes. I'm just going to write plus 10 right here. So now when I get to the second class, I can't start at 9 o'clock. I'm going to need to start at 9 o'clock plus 10 minutes. Well, that'll be 9 o'clock. Ooh, it won't be 9 o'clock. It'll be 9:10. Now I'm going to add an hour. This class will go from 9:10 to 10:10. Then I'm going to need to add 10 minutes. So over here, if I have 10:10 and I add 10 minutes, the third class is going to start at 10:20. And it's going to go for an hour. So if I go for 1 hour, 10:20, it'll go till 10:20 to, oops, I didn't mean to write 10. 10:20 to 11:20. then 10 minutes between classes, so I'll add 10, and you'll go ahead and figure out this part. And the question is asking, what time does the 4th class end? All right, let's look at number 2. Mr. Moore read 25 pages of a book on Monday. He read 32 pages on Tuesday, 39 pages on Wednesday, and 46 pages on Thursday. If this pattern continues, how many pages will Mr. Moore read on Sunday? All right, I'm going to get another paper to make this chart. We did one just like this in class. So go ahead and work on it on your own if you want, or you can watch my example here. All right, so we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All right, on Monday he read 25 pages. On Tuesday he read 32 pages, then 39 on Wednesday, 46 on Thursday. If this pattern continues, how many pages will Mr. Moore read on Sunday? So the number that goes right here is what we're looking for. So you'll need to find what the pattern is. Well, I'm going to do 32 minus 25 to figure out what the pattern is, or I could start on 25 and just count 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Okay, that'll be my pattern. It looks like it's going to be plus 7. Okay, I'm going to check. So now when I go from 32 to 39, oh yeah, if I plus 7, 32 plus 7 will be 39. So now I'll do the same thing. I'll plus 7, and then I'll add 7 again to get this answer. Then I'll add 7 again to get this answer, and then I'll add 7 again to get the answer that goes here. All right, let's look at number 3. Number 3 says, describe the pattern below, then find the next 2 numbers. I can tell the pattern has to do with the decimal point moving because the digits are exactly the same, but the decimal point is in a different place each time. So here the decimal point is after 547, then the decimal place moves, so the decimal place moved one time to the left, then the decimal place moves again that way, then the decimal place moves again that way. Oh wow. Oh, I'm sorry. It actually goes right here. Okay, so you'll keep moving the decimal point to the left and find the next 2 numbers, and then describe what the pattern is. Is each number 10 times more or 10 times less? All right, number 4, draw the next 2 figures in the pattern. This is considered a figure. Okay, so you'll draw 2 more of these. You just need to figure out where they go. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm wrong. This is a figure, this is a figure, this is a figure. So you'll need to draw 1 here and 1 here. So figure out what's different from here to here, and then from here to here. What I notice is that this one has 1 triangle. Well, this one also has 1 triangle here, but then these pieces are added at the top. And then this piece, now we have 2 more pieces added here. So I'm thinking that the next pattern is going to be to add 2 more pieces up at the top. So you'll draw exactly what this is, but add 2 more pieces onto the top. And then you'll need to figure out what the next one is going to be and draw it as well. All right, Marissa can buy 3 oranges for $1.35, 4 oranges for $1.80, or 5 oranges for $2.25. Marissa can buy 10 oranges for a price that fits this pattern, or a bag of 10 oranges for $4.25. Which way costs less for 10 oranges? Okay, you'll have to make a chart, kind of like this one here, and figure out what the pattern is. So it looks like I'm going to go like this, from 3 oranges, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, 3 oranges is $1.35, 4 oranges is $1.80, 5 oranges is $2.25. Let's figure out what this pattern is. $1.35 and $1.80. Right here I'm going to take $1.80 and subtract $1.35 so I can figure out what the pattern is. I can't do 0 minus 5, so I'll need to borrow. 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 4. So from here to here is 45 cents. Okay, now let's see what the pattern is here. $2.25 minus $1.80. 5 minus 0 is 5. I can't do 2 minus 8, so I'll need to borrow. 12 minus 8 is 4. Oh, the pattern is add 45 cents each time. Okay, so I'll need to find out what each of these numbers is until I get to this answer. Once I have this answer, I need to decide which one is better. Is this the best price to do it this way, add 45 cents each time? Or is it better to buy a bag of 10 oranges for $4.25? Which way costs less? And then you'll tell why it costs less. Thanks for watching this homework helper video. If you have questions, feel free to ask me tomorrow at school.